In Power BI, as in other data analysis and visualization tools, the concepts of facts and dimensions originate from data modeling, particularly in the context of data warehousing and business intelligence. Let's break down each concept. Facts. Definition. Facts represent the numerical measures or metrics that are being analyzed in a data set. These are typically quantitative and measurable values such as sales revenue, quantity sold, profit, etc. Characteristics. Facts are usually stored in fact tables in a data warehouse or data model. Each row in a fact table represents a specific event or transaction and contains values for different measures. Facts are associated with dimensions through relationships, enabling analysis and reporting at various levels of granularity. Dimensions. Definition. Dimensions provide the context and descriptive information related to the facts. They are the attributes or characteristics along which analysis can be performed. Characteristics. Dimensions are often stored in dimension tables in a data warehouse or data model. Each row in a dimension table represents a unique value or category for a particular attribute. Dimensions provide the context for analyzing facts, allowing users to slice and dice data based on different attributes such as time, geography, product, customer, etc. Dimensions are typically hierarchical with multiple levels of granularity. For example, a time dimension may have levels like year, quarter, month, day, etc. How facts and dimensions work in Power BI. In Power BI, you can import data from various sources and model it using Power Query Editor and the data model. Once the data is loaded into Power BI, you can identify your fact and dimension tables. You establish relationships between fact and dimension tables based on common keys, usually foreign keys. Power BI automatically detects these relationships and enables you to create interactive visualizations and perform analysis across different dimensions and measures. You can use the dimensions to filter, drill down, or slice the data, while the facts provide the numerical values for analysis. By creating relationships between facts and dimensions, you can build rich and meaningful reports and dashboards in Power BI, facilitating data-driven decision-making. In summary, facts represent the numerical measures being analyzed, while dimensions provide the context and descriptive attributes for analysis. Understanding and effectively modeling facts and dimensions in Power BI is essential for creating insightful reports and gaining actionable insights from your data.